Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Hacks and Creations. So guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can write Kalma Taiba on canvas. So guys, first of all I'm using acrylic paint. It's metallic acrylic paints, and I'm writing Kalma Taiba on canvas with brushes. So no, I'm not using kalam and I'm not using any type of pen and marker. I'm just using brushes, and it's much difficult to use brush and especially when you are a beginner, then it's much difficult for you to do calligraphy with brushes. So first of all you should draw that ayat and that word on canvas with pencil and any paint, because I already draw Kalma Taiba on canvas with white watercolor because my canvas is black, and if I had drawn with another pencil, then it could not be seen on canvas because it's a black canvas. So you can also use chalk, white chalk, if you are also want to do painting and calligraphy on any black canvas, then you can use chalk if you don't want to use watercolors with brushes. So this way it will be very easy for you to do painting and to do Arabic calligraphy on canvas or on any paper. So guys, if you like anything on my channel, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, because I have lots of creative ideas. I have lots of painting tutorials and Arabic calligraphy tutorials. So guys, it could be very interesting and informative for you. So finally this calligraphy is going to be completed, and this turns out very beautiful and attractive, because when you paint with gold metallic color on black, then it turns out amazing. So guys, must tell me on my channel, do you like this video or not? And if you like anything on my channel, then please like my video and share with your friends, because this means a lot for me. And now it's a final look of my canvas painting. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.